Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you something completely different. This is a look that I have done on clients many times, but I have never done it on myself. It is a glossy skin editorial makeup look. So you know how you see those women in the magazines that have super shiny skin? Yeah, well this is it. So if you want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing we're going to do is go in with our Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer. And I'm just going to rub this all over my skin. The key is hydrated skin for this look. So we definitely want to pile on all the hydrating products that we can. Next, I go in with my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Hydrating Primer. This primer is super hydrating and I loved how plump and hydrated, obviously, it made my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my Danessa Myricks Prism FX Hydrating Lotion. This is in the shade Peach. I know she has a variety of colors. I like this one. It gives me a nice glow, and this is the one that I had on hand. So I just apply this onto my face using a makeup brush so I can have that glow from within as well. So it could be easier to layer on the glow. The foundation we'll be using today is the Miran HD Foundation Palette. Now, this is a small palette of all of the colors, and a little bit goes a very, very long way. So this palette is more than enough for personal use as well as client use. But they do sell these foundations individually. I go in with a medium tone and I cover my entire face with this. And then you'll see that I go in with a lighter shade out of the foundation palette, and I do this under my eyes to brighten and highlight that area, as well as my forehead and my chin area. Then I go in with a deeper shade, and this is to contour. So I apply it to the hollows of my cheeks, my temples, my forehead, and my jawline as well. You would kind of just go by your own skin color to apply the colors that you need to get the same effect. Then I just buff this all out with a beauty sponge. And take your time in this step. Don't rush it. Just blend it as well as you can. And, you know, you want your skin to be flawless. You don't want it to look like it's rushed, okay? So take your time in this part. I like to blend out all the bright parts first, and then I go in to blend out the contour. Next, I'm going in with my Urban Decay. This is the Naked Concealer, and I am in the shade 30 NY. It's the Naked Correcting Concealer in shade 30 NY, and this is just for extra concealing. Lately, I have not been getting good sleep, believe it or not, even though I'm home all day because of the virus. I still haven't been getting great sleep, so this is an extra step for that. Then I go in with my Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer Stick. This is in the shade Baked. It's the lighter of the two sticks. I didn't want to go too hard on the contour, so this is just to, you know, contour a little bit more and give my cheeks and face a little bit more definition. Oh, and again, I blend this out with the butt of the Beauty Blender. Then I'm going in with my Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick. This is in the shade Perk, and I just apply this to the apples of my cheeks and blend it out with the Beauty Blender to kind of blend everything together. Next, I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Perfecting Powder. I'm in the shade number 2. I just apply this very lightly on the areas that need it, that I don't want to crease and I don't want to get too oily. So under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Again, very, very lightly, and under my cheeks as well, just because I don't want my entire face to be glossy. Next, I go in with my Danessa Myricks Dew Wet Balm in the shade Hot Water, and I'm using my finger to apply this just to the areas that I would normally highlight with a highlighting powder. This is what's going to give our skin that glossy effect. Of course, we built up on that highlight and that glow, but this really, as you can see, just ties everything together and makes your skin literally look like glass. I am obsessed with this product, and the great thing about it is it doesn't disturb the makeup underneath. I've also used this with airbrush foundation, and it does not mess up or disturb the foundation and powders underneath, so that's really good. Then I go in with my Huda Beauty Melted Shadow in the shade Double Pump Latte, and I just apply this. This will be our transition shade for the smoky eye. I apply this onto my eyelids and buff it out with a fluffy blending brush. Nothing crazy, just, you know, just a light layer just to transition that shade. Then I go into the Huda Beauty Life Liner, and I use the pencil part to tight line and apply to my waterline, and then I use a little smudger brush to buff this out and really smudge it in there. Then I'm going in with my Danessa Myricks Color Fix 24-Hour Matte Color. This is in the shade Blackout, and I just apply this using the tube itself, obviously, and then I use a very small blending brush to blend this all out. This one was a little difficult to blend because my Color Fix is a little old, and so, you know, I left the cap uncovered several times when I used it on clients, and of course it dried it out a bit. Then I go in with my Fenty Beauty Full-Frontal Mascara, and holy cannoli, this mascara is amazing. You guys definitely have to try it. You can't really tell because I have this smoky eye going on, but trust me, it's amazing. Then for that glossy lid effect, I go in with my Danessa Myricks Color Fix, but this is in the clear glaze, and I just apply this with a fluffy brush onto my lids. I just pat it on so it doesn't smudge anything underneath, even though I know that it won't. It's just extra insurance for me. Then going in with my ColourPop Cosmetics X I Love Sarai Lip Liner in Curvy. I line my lips, and then I go in with my Buxom Cosmetics Lip Gloss in the shade Ashley. And I wanted a little bit of a nude tint, so I go in with that same concealer that I use under my eyes. I just apply a couple of dots of this to my lips to give it that super cute, glossy nude lip effect. And guys, this is it. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and follow all my other social media. It's all Makeup by Alaha. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, and stay safe and healthy, and stay inside your houses, damn it. All right, see you guys later. Bye.